Ever wondered what would happen if you gave up sugar completely for just 2 weeks? Buckle up because we're diving into the incredible transformation your body could undergo. First off, say goodbye to those relentless sugar cravings. When you eliminate sugar, you break the cycle of insulin-induced hunger swings, which means your cravings for sweets will start to vanish. Without sugar constantly driving your appetite, you'll find yourself feeling less hungry overall. That's because your blood sugar levels stabilize, allowing your cells to actually absorb nutrients properly instead of being overwhelmed by excess sugar. Next, prepare for a boost in energy. If you've been feeling sluggish after meals, it's probably due to those sugar highs and crashes. Without sugar in your system, you'll experience more consistent energy levels, keeping you alert and focused. And let's not forget the scale. After just 1 week, many people report dropping up to 13 pounds of retained water. That bloated feeling will subside, and you'll notice your clothes fitting looser, especially around your midsection. Your gut is a great indicator of sugar intake. Less sugar means a flatter stomach. Mood swings and irritability? Not anymore. Cutting out sugar can lead to a calmer, more stable mood and improved cognitive function. You'll find yourself more focused and less prone to distractions. Your skin will also thank you. With less sugar, you'll likely see a reduction in acne and an overall healthier glow. That's because sugar spikes insulin and androgen levels, which can negatively impact skin health. Expect reduced stiffness and inflammation. By switching from sugar to fat for energy, your body will experience less pain and inflammation. This shift may cause a brief adjustment period, but it's worth it for the long-term benefits. Speaking of long-term, reducing sugar can lower inflammation in your arteries, helping to prevent heart disease and stroke. Plus, your brain will thrive on ketones, the alternative fuel your body makes from fat, supporting new brain cell growth. Your liver will also benefit from this sugar detox. As it starts to burn off stored fat, it'll become healthier and more efficient. If you've got a bit of a belly, chances are you have a fatty liver, and cutting out sugar can help clear that up. Finally, your kidneys will get a much-needed break. High sugar levels can strain kidney function, so reducing sugar intake will help improve kidney health significantly. Subscribe for more health tips.